A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Tuesday, the U.S. Supreme Court denied former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows' request to transfer his criminal case from Georgia State Court to federal court. This decision comes amidst ongoing legal battles surrounding the alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia, where Meadows, alongside former President Donald Trump and 17 others, faces serious charges. The Supreme Court's refusal to hear Meadows' appeal leaves intact a lower court's decision that deemed the case should remain in state jurisdiction. Meadows, who served as Trump's chief of staff from March 2020 until January 2021, has argued that the charges against him relate to his official duties during his time in the White House. He contends that the actions outlined in the indictment, which include participating in a controversial phone call urging Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger to find votes, were part of his responsibilities as a federal official. His legal team has cited a federal officer removal statute, claiming that he should be immune from prosecution in state court due to his role in the Trump administration. However, prosecutors have countered that Meadows was not acting within the scope of his official duties when he allegedly engaged in a conspiracy to overturn the election results. They argue that the charges are serious and should be adjudicated in the state court system, where Meadows can still raise federal defenses. The legal landscape surrounding this case is complex, with implications that extend beyond Meadows and Trump to other individuals involved in the alleged scheme. The indictment against Meadows includes 2 counts, one for participating in a racketeering conspiracy and another for soliciting a public officer to violate his oath. The case stems from a broader investigation into efforts to subvert the electoral process following Trump's loss to Democrat Joe Biden in the 2020 election. Both Meadows and Trump have pleaded not guilty to all charges, maintaining their innocence amid a legal storm that has captured national attention. As the Supreme Court declined to provide specific reasoning for their decision, legal experts speculate that this ruling may set a precedent for future cases involving federal officials facing state charges. The implications of this decision could resonate through the ongoing legal proceedings, particularly as an appeals court prepares to review whether Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis can continue prosecuting the case, given her alleged conflict of interest involving a romantic relationship with a special prosecutor. The fallout from this ruling is significant, not just for Meadows, but for the entire political landscape as the 2024 election cycle approaches. With Trump having recently won re-election, the timing of these legal battles raises questions about the potential impact on his presidency and the ongoing efforts by prosecutors to hold him and his allies accountable for their actions during and after the 2020 election. As the case proceeds in Georgia, Meadows remains determined to fight the charges against him. His attorney, George Terwilliger, has expressed confidence in Meadows' eventual exoneration, despite the current legal hurdles. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications for the future of political accountability and the rule of law in the United States. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision to deny Meadows' appeal marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing saga of the 2020 election aftermath. As the legal proceedings unfold, all eyes will be on Georgia, where the stakes are high for Meadows, Trump, and the broader implications for American democracy. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.